I'm here with my Dash egg bite maker and a Banquet chicken and broccoli pot pie. Let's see if we can cook this pot pie in the Dash egg bite maker. Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem. So I recently posted a video about trying to cook one of these Banquet chicken pot pies in my Nostalgia My Mini Skillet. And when I tried to cook it in the skillet, it really came out more like chicken and dumplings than it did like a pot pie. I was pretty happy with that because I actually like chicken and dumplings better than I like pot pie. But I remember reading a comment or two about cooking these pot pies in the Dash egg bite maker, and that sounded really interesting. So I thought we'd give it a try today. I have my egg bite maker plugged in and the blue light is on. And here's my chicken pot pie. It's chicken and broccoli pot pie. I just took it out of the freezer. This was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Here's the pot pie straight out of the box. As we can see, there's an issue with the crust over here. I did not try to take it out of the paper bowl. To me, this is more of a paper bowl than a paper pie pan, so I'm just going to call it the paper bowl. And what I read was that you just put this entire thing, paper and all, in the egg bite maker, and it should cook and it should come out with a nice flaky crust, and we'll see what happens. And I also read comments from people saying that you have to make sure you put a slit on the top of the pie. But if we look at the packaging, they don't put a slit on the top of the pie. They don't show that on their packaging. And let's see, is that part of their instructions? So for conventional oven, it says do not prepare in toaster oven. I wonder why. Preheat oven to 400. Place pot pie on baking sheet, slit top crust. See, it does say to slit the top crust. And even on the microwave, it says to slit the top crust. So this is false advertising because there's no slit on that top crust. So here's the pot pie. It's frozen. And how am I supposed to put a slit in the top crust when this is frozen? Like, how am I supposed to do this? I'm just pushing really hard, and that's as good as it's gonna get. They don't say how big to make the slit, so I'm gonna assume it can be about an inch. Here's the egg bite maker. The blue light just went off, so let's put this in. Let's shut this. Will it shut? Huh. Do I need to move it over a little bit? Okay, so it's shut, but not all the way. There's, I don't know, maybe like a quarter of an inch opening. And let's let this cook and see what happens. It's been a little bit more than 20 minutes, and all of a sudden I'm hearing like a lot of noise coming out of this egg bite maker. Let's see what's going on. Look at that. So what's happening is the filling is escaping on this side, but look at this. Look, it's browned. The crust looks like it's cooked. Let's put a thermometer in here and see where we're at. All right, we are over 165. So this is done. This is done. Look at that. The problem is going to be getting it out of this egg bite maker because I just tried to use some small pot holders, and this is just like really flimsy. There's nothing really holding this. Although maybe, what if I just use my fingers? That was easy. The pot pie has been cooling off for a few minutes. I'm really tempted to just dump it out of this paper pan. Let's dump it. Oh, guess what? We can't. And look at this. The bottom crust stuck to the pan or the bowl. That's kind of creepy. I got as much off as I could. So the bottom crust is not flaky. The bottom crust is soft, like a dumpling consistency. Kind of like how the crust came out when I made it in the Nostalgia My Mini Skillet. Now let's try the top. Yeah, the top came out nice and crispy, and it came out like it was actually baked. So the top crust came out great. The bottom crust, not so much. But look what I'm noticing. Look at the broccoli. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's about 8 pieces of broccoli. But it's all like broccoli stems. So I guess this is a cheap way for the company to use up a cheaper part of the broccoli plant. As most people, when they buy broccoli, they want the florets. But this tastes good, and it's cooked, and the top crust is really nice. So if I was hungry and all I had was this Dash egg bite maker and one of these frozen pot pies, I'd definitely be able to cook it. And so I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.